Welcome to Q Automated. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for notifications. In this video we are going to learn about using variables in Postman. So variables are very important. We can assign a value to it. It works as a key value pair in Postman, and once you add your variables, you can access anywhere in your request, in your scripts, in your URL. And once you have to update, if your variable needs to be updated, you can update its value in only one place, and you can use it in multiple places. So yeah, so what are different scopes of variables in Postman? There are global variables, collection, environmental, data, and local. Global variable, as the name suggests, it's accessible throughout your workspace. Collection variable is limited to the collection which we created. Like in our last video, we created a group of API requests inside a collection, so those APIs will get access to the collection variable. Then we have environment specific variable. So environment tests are specific to environment configurations like prod environment, staging environment, dev environment, and those variables will be accessible to that particular environment only. Then data. What is data? When we are using external CSV file, JSON file, and extracting values from those files for your scripts and for your API hits, then that data will come in this scope. Local variables are related to specific to the scripts and the request which you are sending, and it will not be accessible by any other script or request. Now let us see how we can add our variables. If you click here, you can see environmental variables and you can see global variables. So you can click on add option here. For global variable, I have already added some variables, so here it's showing edit option. So let us add one more here, test variable. You can select the type of the variable. If it is a secret, it will be encoded. For some authentication token or authorized values URLs, you can use the secret type. Then the current value will you can provide any value for this and hit save. Okay, so now I want to use this variable in my script. So here I'll write test variable and let's send this request and check. So we have given value as a hello, so we can check this here. Another way to add a variable is there also. So let's remove this part. Okay, I am adding some random value here and I want to save it to a variable. So right click on it, click on set as variable, create new variable. If you want to assign the value to existing variable, you can also do that here. So I want to create a new test variable and I can define the scope of the variable also. Okay, set. So new variable is created. You can check here, the new variable is also added here. There is another way with which you can add your variables with scripts. So let's try this. So I'm trying first. We will add collection variable, set. I told you like we will be having a key value here when we are setting a variable. So collection variable is the name of the variable and value is collect. Next, if you want to add environment variable, you can add environmental variable here like this. Again it will be like key and value. If you want to set global variable, you can set like this, key and value. Okay, Yeah, so this is the way with which you can set your variables. You can check the new variables here. The global variables will be available here. So yeah, this was about this. An option, you can add your variable to the log and you can check its value. So with this code snippet you can do that. If you send this request, you can see your logs at the console. See, this is the request, the latest let's see the latest request, and you can see the variables here in your console, and you can see the logs also here. You can see the variable values, different values which we got for my variable. Okay, so this is about using variables, adding variables. So try it yourself. If you face any questions, you can write down in the comment section below. Thank you.